Welcome to Programming for Designers. This is Trish Ladd, WIP 400 Platt College. Search form and results. Searching is a good feature to have on your sites, especially if you have a lot of posts to read and/or go through. Because databases store the data, it makes it easier to find what you are looking for when you perform a search, rather than going through each page and looking for it. Here is an example of a select distinct statement. The select distinct statement is used to return only distinct or different values. Inside of a table, a column often contains many duplicate values, and sometimes you only want to list the different or distinct values. The select distinct statement is used to return only distinct or different values. This can be used to filter out duplicate pieces of information, such as if you want a list of unique countries that your customers come from, you might have more than one customer that comes from Mexico. If you use distinct, then Mexico would only be listed once. But in this slide's example, if cat is found in both the body and the title, it will return the same row of data only once. This is an excellent example. As you can see here, cat would be found in both the title and the body of the first and third post, but it only returns one distinct row of data for both. So distinct helps us filter data. Like lets us find characters that are similar to but not exactly what we are looking for. For example, our cat found caterpillar because CAT was part of it. Same thing with education. CAT makes up part of the word of education. So the wildcard found the values of CAT together. Pagination allows us to break up the rows of data into smaller bite-sized chunks. So for example, if we have 50 rows of data, we can show a small set of that result at a time. How does this work? We take the number of results, we divide it by how many results we want to show at a time, and then find out how many pages we need. For example, in this case there are 23 results. If we want to show 10 results on each page, page 1 has the first 10 results. Page 2 has the second 10 results, and page 3 then must hold the rest of the results. If we wanted to show more or less than 10 at a time, we would have to change our math, and we would then have a different number of pages. We've used limit to specify that we wanted a specific number of items, like limit 5 or limit 1, not caring if there were any other instances afterwards found. In this case, we care and we want to access that data, but only when we want to. If we did not use limit, all of the available data would be displayed. This is how we focus on a specific set of results rather than all of the results or something like just the first 5. In summary, a search feature can help make your site more accessible, easier to find information. You can search more than one table and more than one field to get multiple results. One of the ways that you can filter out those multiple results is by using the keyword distinct, which then selects only one record when multiple instances are found in the same record, eliminating duplicate data. The keyword like allows us to find things that are similar but maybe not exactly to what we are looking for. And limit allows us to constrain how much data we get at a time and potentially in a specific range. As always, I hope that this lecture has been helpful and informative, and I wish you happy coding.